Hello, this is Jamie Magridge. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. Today I'm going to show you how I made this card. It's really a simple card. It's just simple stamping. There's nothing fancy about it at all. But I think it's quite, I don't know, I really liked it. So it's using Welcoming Woods and Early Espresso ink. Uses very little cardstock. I have a piece of Pool Party, a piece of Early Espresso, and my card base 5.5 by 8.5 square and folded at 4 1/4. These two pieces are cut out with the rectangle dies. The Early Espresso is the largest, and the Pool Party is the third from the largest. And I'm going to be using some dimensionals, and that's it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is get my espresso ink out, and this is the tree stamp. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it this way because it's a large stamp. It's easier for me to ink this way. Make sure it gets some good ink coverage. I'm just patting lightly. I'm not pushing hard. I'm just patting it. Okay. Then we're going to turn it over, and we want this to be up towards the top as much as we can. Set it down. Just pushing a little bit so that I know it gets good contact, but I'm not giving it chest compressions. I'm just making sure it's got contact. Leave it sit there a minute. Lift it off straight. Very nice. Now I'm going to bring in this one. And before I get started, I want to figure out, you can see the spaces where the trees are going to fit. So before you ink it, figure out where those trees are going to go. I'm going to ink that up. It is distinctive, so some areas are going to be inked more than others. And go ahead and stamp it. Awesome. Oh, I forgot the sentiment. I think it's in the center. Okay. Every season brings its own wonder. That's going to go down here. I love this font of this stamp. It's so pretty. Alright. Now, we're going to bring in our glue. Oh, this one hasn't been opened yet. That explains why it felt cold to me. Okay. And we're going to mount this to this Early Espresso piece with the Mono multi-glue. I love a new bottle. It comes out so nice. Mount that. It's going to have, it's about a 3/8 of an inch border. It's a little bit less than a 1/4 inch all the way around. Okay, then we're going to bring in some dimensionals for the back of this. I'm going to put 5, I think. And then I'm going to mount that on the front of my card. There you go. That's how simple it is. It's a very simple card, but it's very effective. I think it's very beautiful. Well, thank you so much for joining me today at Jamie's Craft Table. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some stamps, ink, and paper.